Hello Click Designers! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create attractive and sexy Zoom backgrounds just like this using ClickDesigns. So let's get started. We are going to log into our ClickDesigns account and then we are going to create a custom graphic from scratch. So let's click on Start from Scratch, and then right after that, let's type in our design. Then let's click on Continue, then let's enter our canvas size. Right after entering our canvas size, we are going to change the color of our background by selecting a custom color that we would like. There you go. And then right after that, we are going to add a shape. So let's go ahead and choose a nice shape here. Let's choose a nature shape. Let's choose a leaf. Let's add it on the side, rotate it a little bit and make it a little bigger. And then let's change the color of the leaf. After that, let's duplicate, rotate it a little bit, and then let's move it downwards. Once done, let's go to another shape. Let's click on shapes again, and then let's click on this circle right here. Let's add that, and then let's make it a little bigger. Let's align it to the center, and then let's choose a color that would match our background. Then let's click on shapes again. Let's choose a nice shape that we could add right here. This one. There you go. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Rotate it a little bit. Move it a little bit there. Then let's change the colors. Once we're done changing the colors, let's go back to shapes and then let's look for another shape that we could add. So I click this one and I'll add it to the side, make it a little bit bigger, and then change the color as well. Then I'll click on shapes again. Then let's add another shape. Let's rotate it a little bit and then let's put it to the side. Let's change the color. Let's click on shapes. Let's look for another shape that we could add. Let's add another triangle right here. Rotate it a little bit, make it a little bit smaller, and then change the color so that it blends to the other abstract shapes that we've added. I duplicated that, rotated it, and then added here. I'll change the color, duplicate that, and drag that here below, rotate it. Let's now upload our logo. So I clicked on Image, then Plus, and then uploaded our logo on the image library. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller and put it here on the side. So now we have our logo on our Zoom background. I'm going to add a text layer so I could add my name. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger and then adjust some of the font styles and maybe make it a little bit bold. Once done, I can add the position that I have in the office. So I'm going to duplicate that and then type in the position. Then I'm going to make this a little bit smaller and put it on the side. There you go. Then I'm going to group these two elements and then I'm going to put them on the lower right hand side. Okay. Next, I'm going to add another image from my local drive. So I have this one, and then I'm going to add it here on the center so that we have an idea how our Zoom background looks like with a person. So the idea here is we want to see how it will appear overall once we have our face next to the background that we've created. Once you're happy with how it looks like, let's remove this picture right here. Then let's click on Export so that we could export our first Zoom background into our local drive. Once done, we will click on Save and then we will exit. So now that we're done with our first Zoom background, let's go ahead and create our second Zoom background. Let's start from scratch again with a blank canvas and a custom graphic, and then let's enter our HD canvas size for a Zoom background. Then we are going to select an image. So we're going to look for a realistic background that we can find here from our image library. Let's choose this realistic office background right here. Let's drag it a little bit to fit the canvas and center it vertically. Then let's go ahead and use our logo. I'm going to upload another logo right here from our local drive. I'm going to put it here on the upper left-hand side and resize our logo just to make it fit. After that, let's click on Shapes. Let's put it here to the side. Change the color of the shape and then adjust the opacity. Once done, let's add a text layer there. Let's put our name. Let's adjust the font style. Choose a font style that we want. Then let's move this text layer on top of the shape we've just added. Let's duplicate the text layer and make it a little bit smaller for our subheadline. Okay, and then let's edit the text. Let's make some final touches and adjustments to the text and the shape. Let's adjust the opacity a little bit. Once done, let us upload our image so that we could see how our background will look like and how our image or our video would blend with our new Zoom background. Now that it blends very well together with our new virtual background with ClickDesigns, we can delete this image right here. Then right after that, we can click on export so that we can download this Zoom background into our local drive and upload this custom background to Zoom. Then we can click on save and exit. After you download your Zoom background from ClickDesigns, launch Zoom, then click on Preferences. Right after that, click on Background and Effects, and then click on Add Image. Locate the virtual background that you've created on ClickDesigns from your local drive and upload it onto Zoom. Now, you're all set. And that's it. That's how easy it is to create your own Zoom virtual backgrounds using ClickDesigns. Happy click designing!